Hello students, children. In the last lecture we had completed the poem Don't Give Up. So in today's lecture, let's complete the question answer session. I hope students you all have enjoyed the poem, isn't it? So what did we learn from this poem? We learned that we should never give up in our life and we should always keep on trying so that we will be able to achieve success in our life. Now let's proceed with the question answers and spelling session. Let's start with the spellings. The first word is patient, second stronger, third blast, fourth loftier, fifth victory, and the last word is defeat. Students, you have to write these spellings 5 times and learn them well. Now let's proceed with the question answers. Our first question is, if you have tried to do something and not succeeded, what should you do? Answer: if we have tried to do something but not succeeded in it, we should never get disappointed. Instead, we should keep on trying patiently and should never give up. Next question. What happens when young birds fall when they are learning to fly? Answer: when young birds learn to fly, they fall quite often, but they keep on trying. And as a result, their wings grow stronger and they can keep up a little longer. Third question. Explain the example of the oak tree. Answer: the strong oak has been bent by many stormy winds, but has risen again and grown taller, stronger, and prouder. Now we'll proceed to the homework session. Students, here are some open-ended questions where you are expected to give your own personal opinion. That is, you have to attempt these questions on your own. The first question is, your friend fell down while learning to ride a bicycle and now has given it up altogether. What do you think will be the poet's advice? Write it down. Second question. Find out the rhyming words from the first and third stanza. That means you have to refer only to the first and third stanza and find out all the rhyming words present in these stanzas. Question number 3. Make smaller words from the words given. You can see, students, that there are big words and from that you have to form smaller words. You can write how many words you can. That's all, and in the next lecture we shall proceed with an interesting lesson.